Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to use an overnight treatment for faster and thicker hair growth. The first ingredient I made use of is flaxseed. I made use of 2 tablespoons of my flaxseed. Flaxseed helps in growing your hair faster and longer and also nourishing your hair follicles. The next ingredient I made use of is my cloves. Cloves helps in reducing hair thinning and also helps in reducing hair fall. It promotes hair growth. Please stay tuned as I'll be telling you more benefits of this treatment. I also made use of 1.5 cup of water. So I kept it on the fire and this is how it looks like. When you are making your flaxseed gel, you have to keep stirring so it doesn't get sticky in your pot. When you boil and you see it bringing out this type of foam, you know your gel is ready. So I brought it down and allowed it to cool off before straining it out. I didn't allow it to cool off completely so I'll be able to get out my gel. I made use of my cheesecloth. You can make use of your strainer, but one of the advantage of making use of your clothes is that, or your socks, is that your seed doesn't escape from your strainer. So that's why I prefer using my cheesecloths or your socks, anyone you have at home. After straining it and getting out my gel, I made use of a tablespoon of my sunflower oil and I also added a teaspoon of my vitamin E. It's not compulsory you make use of the sunflower oil that I'm using. You can use any carrier oil of your choice that you have at home, either almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or you can decide not to add any at all. It's all good and you are good to go. But I just decided to add this to my treatment. So I poured in my treatment into my applicator bottle. Note I'm using this applicator bottle that has this nozzle so that I'll be able to get out my hair treatment out. I applied it on my scalp. But flaxseed gel is good for on your scalp. It helps in nourishing your scalp. So I need my scalp to be nourished, and it also helps to free radicals such as dandruff and any frizziness, dryness that you have. That's one of the advantage of applying it on your scalp. You can decide to use this as an overnight treatment or also leave it in, because this treatment can also be leave in. You can decide not to wash it off at the end of the day. It's all your choice. It's your choice. It's beneficial to your hair in both ways, and it also brings out coils to your hair. You can also use it to detangle your hair. So let me tell you some of the benefits of this treatment. This treatment contains vitamin B, magnesium, manganese, selenium, omega-3 fatty acid, which helps in treating your scalp, preventing hair loss, promoting your hair, and also in reducing hair fall and hair thinning. It if when applying this treatment on a weekly basis, it helps to thicken your hair and also in lengthening your hair. For those who want to use it as an overnight treatment, after applying this on your hair, you place a plastic bag to cover it up and also make use of your satin scalp. No jokes, guys, this treatment grew my hair extremely fast. When I made use of the first time I made use of this treatment, in a week I could tell how my hair grew extremely fast. After applying this treatment all over my hair, I went in with my hair butter. So have you subscribed to my channel? If you've not, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also to my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much. And watch out for my next video. Bye for now.